Imagine entering a dogfight against an opponent who doesn't blink, doesn't panic, and never needs a snack break. That's what happened when military engineers put the jet's AI up against top-tier F-35 pilots in simulation battles. The AI emerged victorious in 90% of these matches not by brute force, but by calculating enemy patterns in microseconds and preemptively countering attacks before a human even noticed. Think of it as the chess grandmaster of the skies, except it's playing 4D chess at Mach 2 and winning repeatedly. It's got drone wingmen that would make the Avengers jealous. One fighter jet is scary. One jet commanding 5 advanced drones like a robotic aerial symphony? Terrifying. The 6th Gen aircraft can manage a team of AI-powered drone sidekicks, each with its own weapons, sensors, and agility that would make a hummingbird jealous. These drones can perform death-defying moves no human could survive and adjust tactics on the fly. It's basically the air combat version of having a squad of AI ninjas at your disposal. Your move villains of the world. The jet acts as both commander and quarterback, orchestrating complex formations in real time. These drones can scout, strike, and jam enemy signals independently or in perfect sync. With this kind of support crew, even a solo mission turns into a full-blown coordinated assault. Neural interface. If you've ever wished your car knew when you were about to miss a turn, this jet takes that idea and turbocharges it. Its neural interface system anticipates what the pilot needs before they even say it. Whether it's adjusting course, activating weapons, or avoiding threats, the system operates like an elite co-pilot who never argues about directions. Pilots can focus on big-picture strategy, while the AI handles the nitty-gritty, kind of like flying with a personal assistant that's part Yoda, part NASA engineer. The interface doesn't rely on clunky controls. It's streamlined and intuitive, reducing response times to fractions of a second. It adapts to each pilot's habits over time, learning their preferences and decision-making style. Essentially, it's not just helping the pilot, it's becoming an extension of them in the cockpit. Quantum sensors and stealth so advanced, it's basically a ghost. Stealth used to mean harder to see. Now it means might as well be magic. The aircraft uses quantum sensors to scan its environment and actively alters its radar signature in real time. Its radar profile, smaller than a marble. For context, the F-22, the former stealth champ, was the size of a golf ball on radar. The new jet also disperses heat so evenly that even thermal imaging gets bamboozled. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack if the needle could turn invisible and the haystack was on fire. It doesn't just disappear, it misleads, bouncing back fake signals to confuse enemy tracking systems. The stealth coding even adapts to different threat types, dynamically adjusting based on what's trying to find it. In testing, even advanced radar arrays had to admit defeat. This jet redefined untraceable. It can go silent, like really silent. When the mission calls for full-on ghost mode, this aircraft goes into what engineers call silent mode. In this state, it cuts electronic emissions down to a whisper, no radar pulses, no communication pings, nada. It becomes a technological phantom, slipping past enemy detection with the ease of a whisper through a wind tunnel. And all the while, an onboard AI is running thousands of calculations per second to make sure it doesn't so much as blink in the wrong direction. Even internal systems operate in stealth harmony, prioritizing quiet over everything else. It's so discreet, radar operators have called it a hole in the sky. In an age of overexposure, this jet is proof that silence really is power. The engine is an absolute beast. Built by Pratt & Whitney and General Electric, the engine isn't just powerful, it's revolutionary. It delivers 30% more thrust than the F-35 engine, while using 25% less fuel. That's like a sports car beating a Ferrari and still getting better gas mileage than a Prius. The adaptive cycle engine can switch between power modes in milliseconds and generates enough electricity, 250 kilowatt, to power 200 homes. Add in ceramic matrix composites that can handle temperatures hot enough to melt steel, and you've got an engine that makes rocket scientists cry tears of joy. Its triple-stream airflow system also lets the engine adapt mid-flight to mission needs, speed when you need it, efficiency when you don't. Plus, the engine's built-in AI optimizes performance 10,000 times per second. At this point, It's not just an engine, it's a genius with afterburners. It's practically maintenance-free. Old jets are like aging celebrities, high maintenance and prone to breakdowns. Not this one. Its AI-driven predictive maintenance system constantly scans for wear and tear, flagging issues before they become problems. The result? Maintenance time is cut by 40%, and the Air Force expects to save over $100 million per engine over its lifetime. Think of it as flying a race car that can diagnose and fix itself mid-flight. The future is not coming, it's already airborne. It tracks everything from vibration anomalies to thermal stress in real time. Mechanics get updates before the plane even lands, turning downtime into a distant memory. This is not just about convenience, it's a massive strategic advantage in any future conflict. Even its paint job is smarter than most defense budgets. The jet's surface is covered in next-gen materials developed by a collaboration between the U.S. Air Force and MIT. These coatings don't just absorb radar, they scramble it. When enemy radar waves hit the surface, they're converted into harmless heat and dispersed. That means no signal bouncing back, no tracking, no lock-on. It's like trying to find a ninja in a blackout during a snowstorm while blindfolded. And unlike older stealth coatings that needed babying, this one shrugs off rain, heat, sandstorms, basically everything short of a lava flow. It also self-regulates under extreme pressure, maintaining stealth even in supersonic flight. The coating's durability means less downtime between missions and fewer costly repairs. In short, this isn't just a paint job, it's tactical wizardry baked into the skin of a war machine. It sparked a global panic. The moment news broke about the US deploying this 6th-gen beast, global defense strategies cracked like antique porcelain. China reportedly held emergency meetings within hours. Russia's next-generation fighter, the Su-75, was quietly sent back to the drawing board. NATO overhauled its air defense framework for the first time since the Cold War. Countries like Israel, Germany, and France scrambled to modernize detection systems. Defense companies, their stocks soared. Lockheed Martin alone saw a 12% bump overnight. The message was clear. Everyone else was playing catch-up. Even nations that weren't in direct conflict circles started reassessing their alliances. Defense budgets ballooned worldwide, with some governments allocating emergency funds to upgrade obsolete systems. This wasn't just a tech reveal, it was a strategic earthquake that shook every war room on the planet. It's not just a jet, it's a game changer for the entire planet. Beyond military dominance, this aircraft is rewriting the playbook on everything from global diplomacy to civilian air travel. The Air Force is already training pilots to work alongside AI in a program called Next Generation Airmanship. Commercial airlines are exploring the engine tech to reduce fuel costs. Universities are pouring funding into AI, aerospace, and materials science like it's the gold rush all over again. This jet doesn't just patrol the skies, it's shaping industries, inspiring alliances, and setting the pace for the next 30 years of human-machine collaboration. It's not just a marvel of engineering. It's proof that the future of warfare, and maybe even global security, belongs to brains, not just brawn. The ripple effects are spilling into the private sector, from startups building drone fleets to software firms mimicking its adaptive AI. Even Hollywood's sci-fi visions are starting to feel a little outdated next to this real-world tech. This isn't just a step forward, it's a giant leap for defense, diplomacy, and the future of flight. If that fighter jet blew your mind, imagine what's coming next. Hit that like button if you are ready for the future of air combat. Subscribe for more breakthroughs that are rewriting history. Got thoughts or theories? Drop them in the comments below. And as always, stay sharp, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one.